Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be bleaching my hair and coloring it with a very different color. Something I haven't tried before and I'm so excited to see the result. So I am going to color my hair purple for this year, for the start of the year. This is something that I've always wanted to try, and I am using the Hair Fix Permanent Color Cream in purple. At the same time, I will be bleaching it with the Hair Fix brand as well. So this is my first time trying to bleach my hair with this brand. So we'll see what's gonna happen and we'll see the level of bleach it's gonna achieve. Since you know last year I already tried to bleach my hair and it reached level 8 lang ng bleach. So today we are gonna try this Hair Fix bleach and see if ma-achieve natin yung level 9 or 10 na bleach. So if you're interested to see the whole process of my new hair color this year, then please keep on watching. So I have here the DIY hair coloring tools, and what's inside is one mixing bowl, one double-sided hair dye comb, one pair of reusable ear cover, and one pair of disposable gloves. This is what I will be using to bleach and dye my hair for today's video. I also have here a hair dressing cape to protect my clothes. So kumpleto tayo ngayon sa sa gamit natin to bleach my hair. So let's begin. Okay, so first susuotin ko muna yung pang-cover ng damit. Oops. Ayan. And then we will mix na the bleach. So I'll be right back. Okay, so ito yung free na plastic gloves na nandito sa bleach natin na box. May kasama na tong shower cap, mixing tray, and gloves. So ito yung laman, ito yung mixing tray. And ito na rin yung gloves, and yung shower cap is ito. So, magsa-start na ako. Alright, so I have already mixed the bleach. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo guys kasi medyo struggle yung pag-DIY ko today. And I already have my protective gear sa ears ko, and I will start now. So, ang gagawin ko, since medyo I will start with the tip muna, and then I'll work my way up na lang. So, yeah, let's begin. Hey guys, tapos na akong maglagay ng bleach sa buhok ko. I'm not sure if even siya pagkalagay kasi syempre yun talaga yung problem pag DIY bleach. Yung gagawin mo, it's really hard to make it even. This is the very best that I can do for now, and hoping that it will have a good result. So right now, I'm just gonna wait for 20 more minutes before I rinse it, and we'll see what's gonna happen or anong result niya. But so far, light naman na siya, as you can see. Syempre kasi ito na-bleach na, but this one, hoping na sort of mag-match naman siya at some point. So I'll be back after I rinse and blow dry my hair. So yeah. Right, I'm back and tapos na ako mag-rinse and mag-blow dry ng buhok ko, and ito yung result ng bleach from Hair Fix. So, ayan. So, ang total na naubos kong box is 2 boxes ng bleach yung naubos ko, and ito yung result. I know na hindi talaga siya pantay because when you do DIY, hindi talaga siya totally pantay lahat. But I'm glad na light talaga yung nakuha kong result, as you can see. Especially the roots, kasi most of the time kasi pag nag-bleach, like yung last bleach ko, mas darker yung dito ko compared sa dito. So since I thought na since I already bleached my hair dito na area, inuna ko tong area na to para pagkaluto niya, medyo pantay na rin siya. So, ganyan. So, ganyan. can see. Medyo orange dito na area, pero dito lutong-luto. And then yung bottom is also luto. Ayan. No, parang hindi talaga siya but I hope that when I color my hair purple, hindi na siya ganun ka-obvious na hindi ganun pantay yung pagka-bleach. So, ayan. So, let's proceed na to color my hair purple and cross fingers na maganda yung result nito para worth it. Yung pagod, charot. But yeah. I have already mixed the color na purple and magsa-start na ako. And since nabasa na yung tape na ginamit ko kanina, so I'm just gonna use this used clothing na pambahay lang to protect my top. So let's begin. Ayan na. Ito na yung purple na hair fix. One pa lang to na box yung gamit ko to see if saan to aabot sa hair ko. So let's begin. Alright guys, so I am done. Grabe, kahit nag-gloves ako, nagkamansya talaga kasi sobrang struggle yung pag-color ng hair ko ngayon. Mahirap yung visibility ko sa hair. So, grabe yung struggle, kaya yung mansya, hello. So, ayan guys, nilagyan ko na lang ng shower cap para mas magluto yung color niya and hopefully maganda yung color na lalabas after the toast. Hopefully worth it talaga to kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan ko today. So I'll be back after I rinse and blow dry my hair as usual and papakita ko sa inyo yung result. So yeah, hihintay lang ako ng 20 more minutes before ko siya i-rinse. Hey guys, so hindi na ako naka-update last night kasi grabe na yung pagod ko. After kong blinodra yung buhok ko, I just fell asleep. But ito na nga yung result ng hair color na ginawa ko last night. This is the color purple from Hair Fix. And as you can see, maganda yung color niya guys. Ganda yung color payoff. I feel like this time around, I succeeded with what I wanted to achieve. This isn't something I see myself having. If that's the right word. Kasi hindi ko expect na babagay pala sa akin yung color purple sa hair ko. Okay, nag-iingay na yung pusa ko. Gutom na. So, I have to make this quick. Let me know what you think about my new hair color. If bagay ba sa akin. Or if you have questions on the things that I did to achieve this color. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have other suggestions that you want to see here on my channel. And say hi naman sa mancha na ginawa ko sa wall. And ang igay sa labas. So, ayan, I have to end this na lang kasi ang dami ng mga hadlang. So, ayan, kumusta naman tong purple dito? Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.